Setting up your corporate cards and simplifying expense reporting might feel like a massive puzzle. The question we hear all the time is straightforward, but the answer has multiple layers. Does Expensify actually support corporate cards? The short answer is a resounding yes. Expensify is built to handle corporate card expenses, whether you use their dedicated Expensify card or your company's existing cards from virtually any bank. Let's break down the two main ways this works. First, there's the Expensify card. This is their integrated charge card, designed for maximum automation. When an employee uses it, the transaction details are instantly fed into Expensify. This means real-time expense reporting. The platform automatically creates a digital record, often matches it with an e-receipt, and pre-populates the expense report. It eliminates manual entry, giving your team and finance department real-time visibility and control. It even features dynamic spending limits and cash back rewards. But what if you already have a corporate card program? Maybe you use American Express, Chase, or a card from a local bank. This brings us to the second and arguably more powerful feature, corporate card import. Expensify integrates with over 10,000 banks worldwide. You can connect your existing corporate card feeds directly to the platform. Once connected, transactions automatically import into the cardholder's account. This means your employees don't have to manually upload every single transaction. The magic happens with Expensify's SmartScan technology. When an employee takes a photo of a receipt or forwards an email receipt, SmartScan reads the key details. Then, Expensify automatically matches that receipt to the corresponding transaction imported from the card feed. This eliminates the tedious, manual reconciliation process and ensures every card purchase is backed by a verified receipt. For the finance team, this setup offers essential control. You maintain the flexibility of your current card provider while gaining automated reporting and compliance features in Expensify. You can assign individual cards to specific employees, monitor spend in real time, and apply corporate policy rules to ensure compliance before an expense report is even submitted. The bottom line is that Expensify is card agnostic while also offering its own, deeply integrated card solution. It's designed to transform the expense process from a month-end headache into a streamlined, real-time workflow. Whether you're leveraging your existing bank relationships or choosing their fully integrated Expensify card, they have you covered. If you're ready to ditch the piles of paper receipts and eliminate manual reconciliation, connect your corporate cards to Expensify today and see the difference real-time automation makes. Thanks for watching.